One person is dead following a car crash on the Boscobel Main Road in St. Mary. Reports are that about 4 this morning, the vehicle was traveling from Orocabessa towards Ocherias when the driver lost control.
We observed a grey Frontier vehicle that ran off the roadway over a guardrail at the brink of a shallow ditch. We carried out investigations. We were told that 6 persons were traveling in the vehicle. However, they were removed from the vehicle before the arrival of the brigade.
3 persons are still being treated for injuries, and the Orocabessa police are trying to locate 2 persons who fled the scene.
Three males and 3 females were traveling in the vehicle. However, 4 are at the Portmore Hospital and 2 we are yet to find the locations of the other 2. At present, we are still carrying out a search to locate those other 2 persons, 2 males.
And there was also a fatal motor vehicle crash in Portland. Dead is 40-year-old Chadwick Buchanan, otherwise called Dirtyless. 4 persons were also injured. The crash reportedly happened about 9:30 last night along Allen Avenue in Port Antonio when 2 vehicles collided. An alleged eyewitness outlined what happened.
The car is coming and she have got that direction there, but because that car up there was coming so fast, it tipped and flip come over. So that coming car that coming up now, she's trying to come out of the way. Right, but it end up still lick her and flip back over.
And as I entered the bridge, I saw that car that turned upside down, past me. Maybe that car could have gone 100 miles an hour, but and then afterward, me hear everything turn over.